Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's YouTube video is going to be not sBerryFarm vlog. Me editing right now, but I don't know why I keep on forgetting. I'm not gonna forget next YouTube video, but make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for every time I post an amazing and beautiful video like this one. Enjoy the intro. I'm going to be going with some of my church people. You have seen these characters. I call people that come on my channel characters, but you have seen these characters in the HSM vlog. I think Isaac and other people are going, but this is my fit. I got this shirt from the camp. This is a church camp, and then I got these jeans from freaking Irvine. Anyways, as I was saying, we are going, I'll update you guys once we get to the park because we're gonna meet up with them there. But it's currently 8 in the morning. Yeah, we'll see y'all when we get there. Okay guys, so we just got to the park and we're gonna go on Silver Bullet right now. These are some new characters.
Hi.
Say what your name is.
My name's Rebecca. I'm in 6th grade. Great. My name is Lisette. Yeah. Hello.
You've seen this gooner before.
Alright, bro.
Ivana.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
You're a new character on my channel.
Video.
Yeah, say what your channel is.
DreamFox028. I'm going to probably, it's not quite a YouTube channel, but I have only a couple videos, so I gotta make more, and then I'm gonna like turn it into an actual one.
Ew, what is it? Okay, well, no, they want to see me, not the squirrel. They want to see me, not the squirrel. Can't even see it. I did. That's all you could zoom in. Anyways, we're gonna go into we're on the line for Silver Bullet, and there's 7 of us, but this is me before Silver Bullet. You're not mysterious. This is you before Silver Bullet. Jaden! This is Jaden before Silver Bullet. This is Lisette.
I thought you forgot my name.
Like Josh.
What's your friend's name?
Ashley.
Ashley! This is you before Silver Bullet. What else is in the line? Oh yeah, this is you before Silver Bullet too.
Yeah.
Okay, so hope you guys once we're hope you guys once we're off of Silver Bullet. This video's gonna be longer than I went to Six Flags because. Okay, bye y'all. This is her after the ride.
Actually came out good.
What ride are we waiting for next?
You want to do Jaguar?
Jaguar! They want to do Jaguar. Jaguar?
Sounds like everyone wants to do Jaguar.
Okay, it's that one.
That one. We'll wait for the whole crew.
Bro, it smells like cotton candy. I know.
Don't eat that, you're gonna get diabetes.
Already down. Oh? I just like...
You already have diabetes?
No, funnel cake.
We just got here.
I haven't eaten anything today.
Okay, y'all, I'll see y'all.
Let me give them my review. Let me
No. I'll see y'all when we get to the next ride. Oh. Hey, bye, y'all. Okay, y'all. So they were here a while ago, but they didn't want to say hi.
No, we did. We weren't even in the park. You guys like run on a ride without us.
No, Gooner, stop.
I dare you to take a picture, Johnny.
I don't want to.
Hey, are you gonna take after photos?
Yeah. Oh my god. I think you have to pay for that.
We have to pay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pay for that. I'm too
Are you
broke.
gonna do with Snoopy though? Just take your own.
Yeah.
My part got so.
Oh yeah, but we got Tori and Adri, and then we got Amanda Panda.
Yellow.
Say hi.
Hi.
Fire.
We're gonna go on Jaguar, but yeah, we're gonna go on Jaguar. Bye, y'all. I'm tired. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm with Amanda. We're in the back. Oh shit! Oh my god! Me too. Let me flip the camera. Oh shoot! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, wait, is that it? Oh wait, no, we're going. We keep on going. Amanda! Wait, this is crazy. This is crazy. We ever being this aggressive. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ah! Oh my god! Oh! Wait, why is it like I'm hard on? Oh hell no! Dude, now we're gonna do a lifty loop. Oh! Okay, bye y'all. I'll see you at the next ride. Okay, y'all.
If it doesn't break down.
So, wait, what's this called? We're gonna get on Soul Spin right now. It shut down a minute ago, but it came back to life.
Have you been on this ride before?
Huh?
Have you been on this ride before?
Yeah, I have. Should I take off my shoes? I don't know.
So if your shoes go flying,
Dog
you're gonna
out.
go fly into the bus. I think you're.
No.
Because they're not like tied.
No, they are tight. Anyways.
Yeah, we'll be on the.
Who has the drink? Oh.
It's right here.
You should probably see who's going to
Is that like Gator? Alright.
I need that from you. Let's go.
It's good.
Okay, well, this is us before.
Before and after.
Her before. Wait. This is Tori before.
Does it eat?
What's that? The Gooners.
Sarah. What about me? Sarah before.
Okay, bye y'all. Hey y'all. I'm eating right now because we got on some rides, but I'm eating carne asada fries, but I mixed all my sour cream up. Tori's eating carne asada fries without sour cream.
I don't like it.
That's right. She's tearing it up.
He does like
My friend.
This way it can't zoom right because there's no camera.
No. You thought there was a camera here.
Like a secret window.
Everybody's getting panda, and I didn't know that you could buy panda with this. I'm gonna come here later and get my honey walnut
Your
shrimp.
dad has that too. He's gonna get it for you.
He got something before us. Being big as usual. Yeah. If someone gets honey walnut shrimp, I'm gonna ask them if I can have a piece. Look. Oh. Do you watch my food, Tori? Huh?
I don't have to finish mine.
No, I said, could you watch it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I could eat some.
You thought I said, could you eat it?
What do you think about it?
What?
Let's see what you got. Show them what you got.
I got food.
You did your weirdest one.
This is what he meant I got.
honey butter shrimp?
No, it's orange chicken.
You know I'm standing on business.
Oh, sadness.
You're weird. You're like, oh, too bad. Would it actually get?
Take a bite.
Sure, you can eat it. They won't bash you. I'll cover you.
Orange chicken is coming.
Yes. Can I have an orange chicken?
Grab with your fingers, I don't care.
No.
What are you doing, bro? Let me eat.
Oh, I thought that was honey walnut shrimp.
No, this is his.
Hey guys. Oh, is it on? Oh my gosh. Jump scare. That was wild. Anyways, we're here at Knott's. It's been so fun. Johnny almost threw up. It's really scary.
You're funny. This is good. Try it.
We're going on the log ride next.
We are.
And
We're
you're
gonna
going
get.
on the ride.
You're doing.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay. Panda.
What's that?
Is that orange chicken?
No, it's something sesame.
Can I try it? I know.
Don't do that! Don't do that in front of a camera. Don't. Don't do it.
What?
Why do I keep thinking you can see me?
What are you talking about? Don't do.
Eat in front of the camera.
Why not?
We can't do something funny.
Ah! Wait.
You scared?
She's gonna see it.
That is my sister.
My finger!
Okay, yeah, well, I hope you guys want to run a ride.
Oh no. Tons for sure.
What are you eating? No. Oh. Okay, y'all. So we're going to the Rapid Rivers of the West from the very best. But yeah, we're gonna go on the wet roller ride. So this is us before.
Rapid
This is them before. Rapid Rivers of the West. Ay! Blake, are you gonna get on with us?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Blake before.
Magnum?
His hat's gonna come off. Gooner!
We recorded like the before for the other rides too. This is after, by the way.
Gooner!
Bro, why do you call me that?
This is
The line's so long.
this is gonna be this is you before.
Look at the line.
No. I hope everything gets wet. Oh. Shoot! Okay, we're doing something else, I guess. Hold up, Bo. I don't know a lot of them. I only know like a few.
Johnny, you do it first.
Oh, you're gonna scare me.
Describe him. Let's see, how do you describe him? Blake, help us describe. We're doing Bible characters and stories.
Wrote a lot of letters. Changed his name. Was blind that he could see. Bro, this is light work.
I know someone in real life that. No, I don't know.
Blake, you should do this. Yeah, you should.
Like.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
I'm getting like a weird one like Zacchaeus.
Bro.
Oh. Okay. They feed a lot of people.
The fish?
The main character.
Jesus?
Yes!
And he was
Shoot!
Fish. 2000?
Oh,
no way.
Dude. Oh. Rebuilding.
Easter? The resurrection?
Go up. Genesis.
People that
Genesis?
are like, woo!
Noah? Moses?
Oh yeah, he died.
He died? Is he an apostle?
No. Well, yeah.
Walking? Cripple?
You said crippled?
Walking on water?
I'm holding it. Okay.
Oh, Noah?
Yo, my cousin's name was like.
Arlette? Joshi? Josiah?
Oh, lock in for like.
Oh, bad.
Judas?
He's this color.
Like the word.
He's this color.
Sian?
Let's see it.
Oh. Well, as you can see, we're going on Supreme Cream. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Supreme cream. I think I'm gonna throw up. I can like feel my tummy bubbling.
Yeah, go aim over there when you're like on the ride.
I'm already like loading.
And you're next to Ash.
Bro.
Here's the Ash. You just go like don't go in her direction. Just
I'm
go.
gonna try to throw up on you.
Oh, well, I'm not sitting next to you. Why am I dark? Oh, there.
Amanda, is this yours?
How much did you get?
Shoot.
No, it's not sure.
Anyways, I'll see you guys
You guys broke it.
once we're off this ride. because
You got 6.
6?
Yeah.
Let me see the other words.
I started shooting in 4K recently, and
I like it.
she looks Tay. You wanna say, Adrian?
Wait, what?
Nebuchadnezzar?
Okay, bye, y'all. This is all of us.
What?
I got the
Oh wait, I have to do the before and after.
You did get the first one. You just passed it.
Before.
I just realized we're not even showing the after.
Before. We're gonna show the after. Yeah, we are. Bye, y'all.
Oh, sorry.
So this is me after, looking a little crusty, but we're okay. This is her after. Oh wait, you guys didn't go on? Oh, you did? Okay. This is them afterwards.
We were laughing like so crazy.
I literally looked over at him.
Junior after.
My phone. Bro.
Alright, what do you guys want to do?
How did your hat not fly out?
What?
How did your hat not fly out?
Because there's Velcro inside my hair.
The boat one?
Yeah, you guys want to do the boat one?
Okay, well, we'll see you all in a little. No.
The one that like...
Wait, stay with me. Okay, y'all. So, we're going to Snoopy Villa. Why are we gonna do this?
Swing, okay?
Why are we gonna gooner? Okay, I'm not that big. Flamer in the comments, get her! Hell no. Hey y'all, so we got Eduardo. Iguana.
It's Eduardo. Eduardo.
Gunnar,
That's how.
stop. We're gonna get on accelerator right now. Wait, that'll be a quick sentence. This is everybody before accelerator.
He was there.
I'm scared.
Helicopter.
What the?
It's called the blink. Oh, are you okay? Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Anyways, I'm scared. I don't know why.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys
On this one though.
back. Bye, y'all. So I'm here with that.
We're
at
twins
Panda.
and we're matching. We're so cute.
Wait, let's do the thumbnail. Okay. So I got a fortune cookie. Did I show you?
Now what'd you get?
I'm gonna read it out to you. It says, "You are admired by your peers."
Wow.
You're like wrong.
They lied to you.
Okay.
There was a time they used to be on my
What are you messing up? Going through Jimena's fault.
They did my wax. They did my
wanting to watch.
I would.
You said I could go to buy it.
I'm not taking you to buy it. It's too far. No.
Hashtag love. Hashtag big and mad. Big and hungry.
Did you finish your food? Hold on.
No, I can't finish the chow mein ever.
Valid. No? Okay.
Ah, this is stuck in my brace. Oh.
Yeah, that came out on accident. Like I promised. Oh no.
sBerryFarm tried to rip her off. We're gonna sue them.
I'm actually so mad.
Yeah, so this old guy,
Who are these cameras?
this old guy that was like charging her at the desk, she wanted to get these, well she got these she got like a haichu and
The rainbow thing.
the star pelt. And the guy charged her 2 times on her card and she had like 50 bucks on there. And he said that it declined both times, but she was showing me like her bank like spendings, like it shows you like what you spent on. And it said that he charged her twice. But on the little pamphlet, like you know how like it shows you it didn't say that it was a decline, it just said card like reader's not working or something. And she had to like change it into one of those cash card things. But
Literally got charged twice.
yeah.
Basically, she got scammed, bro.
Yeah, but
Why didn't it go back?
she's gonna get her money back right now.
Nah, there's not much I could do anymore.
Yeah, cause if the guy's not, I'll pick it up. If the guy's not there,
No, he was hella sketchy.
yeah.
Because they wouldn't know.
How'd you get lost?
Bro, we got lost.
When?
We went to the bathroom. And then when we came out, we didn't see anybody. We're like, where'd everybody go?
We were right here.
No, you weren't there. Nobody was in here. I was like, where did we go?
That's why you have to send me your location.
I didn't have my phone, and you had her phone.
And there was this guy at the end of the stall. Oh, he was letting it rip. No, and I didn't think he was in there, and well, he didn't know I was in there, and I didn't know he was in there, and so I heard him. And then I went to go flush it.
Blow up or dropping bomb.
No, I went to go flush the toilet, but like I kicked the handle because I'm not touching that, and I kicked like where the toilet paper's at, and it fell, and it made this loud noise, and then I think he realized, so he's just like saying quiet.
We went and we thought you guys were at the water ride, right? And we went to go see us and they were like, they couldn't have ditched us like that. So we went back and I was like, they're probably at the corn dogs. And then we asked this like worker lady for her phone, like, you know, to make sure to call my sister. She goes, I'm sorry, I lost my phone. And then as she's walking away, she pulls it out and I'm like, water too, I forgot about the water. The water was like expensive too, so that's why I'm out of money.
Oh yeah, the water was $7. Bye vlog. Listen, I'm like, this is the end of the.
You haven't vlogged any of the rides. And they were looking at us awkward.
Anyways, I'll see you guys once we get on our next ride. I don't know.
Finally.
Bye. Oh.
That's my game.
This is me before.
Oh, we're gonna get wet.
Hey.
Show the wolf.
Yeah.
Show the wolf. There's no one there. Show the furry.
Shut up.
There was a furry at Panda.
Stop. Leave them alone. They have money. Those fursuits cost a lot of money. They cost like $12,000.
Why would you want a tail hanging from your...
If I got money, I'll get money. This is me before.
Yeah, we should do that. We should do before and afters.
Yeah, and then I was like,
I've never done the afters though. Yeah, you haven't done the afters.
Go!
This is me before River Rapids. But you have to show everything. Yeah, he's gonna show the... Ow.
Jump scare.
Ow. Me before River Rapids. It's like...
You're like...
don't worry.
Hey guys, me before River Rapids.
I'm like, how much steps am I?
Watch, take another step.
How much steps am I away from you?
Take another step.
You before River Rapids. You before River Rapids.
This is me before River Rapids.
You before River Rapids.
before River Rapids. We'll see what happens.
Before River Rapids.
Before River Rapids.
Before River Rapids. I'll see y'all afterwards once I'm completely wet. I'm so excited!
I didn't get wet at all. Like, I'm literally dry. Like, all you gotta do is stand still and you'll be fine, bro. Like, I'm good. Like, I'm fine.
Turn around.
Look at his back. That's
I only got a little bit wet.
you guys are lucky.
I think it's because our boat was
Recording me? My jeans got wet and then my pants. Oh wow. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
So, like,
We're like,
where are the cuties at, bro? And I don't mean the weird Edgar.
she's thirsty.
I look the same.
Adrian?
I'm finding too much shorts.
60?
Okay, bye y'all. We're gonna go to hang time. We're getting on another water ride.
This is us before the log ride.
Serve!
How to get your hair blown. Let me record. My hair is cut.
Oh yeah, well. The view before. The view before.
Like, I peed myself.
Yeah,
Look,
it's
look down.
So my face card never declined. I'm gonna put a
Bro,
photo.
can I show them? Oh my gosh. Hold
Wait, can you show them the photo of me?
Here.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This is Johnny.
Never declined.
Okay, with me, but I was trying to mog, but then I got scared and I got butterflies and I let go of my face.
Yeah, but this is them after. They didn't really get hit, but I sacrificed my beautiful face to serve Never Declined, which worked.
I was in the back and I didn't get wet, so.
Now we're gonna go hang time. Look at the. Bye y'all.
And they would like all shake in the box like this.
Pee in the little bag.
Oh my god, okay. Guys, we've been here for like
They would
1.5 hours. How do you feel?
And they were all like,
I'm tired.
that was so funny. I can't remember.
Should be tired.
Like, hey, it's 12.
I could go another dance play. No way. I couldn't. I'd probably like.
Bye y'all. Okay.
The end of the vlog.
Well, we're gonna get on that thing. Oh.
You have to show it. Wait.
Sorry for languages.
Adrian. Okay, guys. Well, I'm done for the night. I don't even care how I look anymore. Bye. So we just got over hang time, and I want to see the photo that I mugged in. I went like, oop. So let's see if it was successful again. Where am I? Where? Hello. You can see. The end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and make sure to see all my posts. But yeah, say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.